Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you an abstract painting video that I completed. Just showing you the process of how I worked on the abstract painting from start to finish, so stay tuned. Alright, so I was inspired to paint something using the color gold. Saw something recently with the color gold in it. I really wanted to capture that representation. So I use the color gold. I use some splash of blue in the painting as well to complement the gold, and I add some black to highlight those colors, so to bring out those colors a lot more. So I started off by creating some splashes of blue. um, I use acrylic paint as well as water to create a splashing effect using the acrylic paint. I added some black afterwards on the canvas, so I mixed the watercolor using the black paint as well to create that effect just the same. After completing that process, we have the base layout of how we want our painting to look. What we're going to start to do is highlight some of the areas in the painting using our paintbrush. So you can see me here brightening some of the areas. What we're going to do is just brighten some of the areas that we want to come forward, using more blue or more gold, and lightening some of the areas on the painting as well. So we have some sections coming forward, some sections pushing back on the painting, so we have variation taking place. So I'm just brightening some of the areas here using the gold paint, building up on the color that we have already there, so we have stronger tones coming out. I started building on the black as well and the blue paint as well, so we have some light blue color being represented there in the background. I added some brighter blue to the corners of the painting to emphasize that splashing effect that we have taking place in the painting. Alright guys, and here is the reveal of the final piece. Alright, so we have our completed piece being shown right here. We have our gold colors being represented. So we have our three sections of using the gold. We have black, we have blue as well, and we have our different tones, different variation of tones taking place in the painting. Alright, so let me know how you guys like this one. Go ahead, leave a like on the video, leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely catch you guys next time.